beautiful queens, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Nora. Welcome back here again today. I'm excited to be here, my beautiful queens. So I have an announcement. Okay, I've had this request since January. I've had this request. Before I get into what I'm about telling you, I know a lot of my queens here are going to be excited about what I'm announcing, what I'm going to be announcing. Okay, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, subscribe, turn on your notification post so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. I know if you're new here, this channel is all about skincare, beauty tips, fashion and lifestyle. So I'm just in haste to give this announcement because I know a lot of my queens will be excited about this one. I've had too many requests to run a training on my a training about skin whitening, about skincare generally. Okay, I've had this request since January, but because I had a baby and no time because of production for my skincare products and a whole lot of things, I don't have time at all on my side to run a training. So but I've decided to run a training. Okay, I'm going to be running a training on just a particular kit. Okay, I just want to make it as affordable as possible because if I'm trying to teach you generally everything, okay, that will be expensive. So I'm trying to make it in a way that it will be so affordable for every one of you. Okay, so the training will be running just on the kit. Like if you have the thought or you have the plans of going into skincare, okay, this is an opportunity for you to join this training. I've never done training here on YouTube. I've never done training. I've never announced training. So trust me when I tell you I'll be teaching you how to make 4 to 5 shade whitening milk, 4 to 5 shade whitening cream. Just know that it's going to be a bump. It's nothing like you've seen before. It's nothing like you've been taught before. It's nothing you can see anywhere. This is my created special recipe, how to make 4 to 5 shade whitening milk with no discoloration. You're gonna be having clean skin, no knuckles, with powerful massive glow. I'm going to be teaching you how to make. I just because of the requests I've had, I don't want this year to conclude this year without at least considering this. I've had too many requests about training. This training is nothing you've seen before. It's not the regular kind of training you're used to. Okay, this is a special training. Okay, and I'm going to make it very affordable. That's why I'm just trying to compile just a kit. Okay, strictly on how to make 4 to 5 shade whitening lotion. So you can name it any name you want. This particular lotion, you can name it Snow White, you can name it Halfcast, you can name it Arabian, you can name it Egyptian. But the important thing is a lotion you can name any name you want, be it Arabian whitening, Egyptian, Snow White, Halfcast, any name you want. But the important thing about it is that it's a lotion that can give you 4 to 5 shade whitening. Okay, so it's going to come as a kit. So I'm just going to the training I can run this year is just a complete kit. So if you have the plans of starting skincare from January, this is an opportunity for you to start. You can start with this kit. My ebook will be ready from January. So from January my ebook will be ready, so you can purchase my ebook to know everything about skincare. In my ebook is going to contain everything. It's going to contain over 30 topics about different kind of lotions, different kind of shower gels, different kind of soaps, stretch mark products, knuckle products, everything about skincare, 100% everything about skincare that works. Okay, but the training I'll be running is just strictly on a complete kit, and this kit is going to comprise of extreme whitening shower gel, extreme whitening milk paste soap. Okay, milk, so it's going to be creamy milk paste soap, extreme whitening lotion. Okay, extreme whitening lotion, extreme whitening face cream, simple recipe of dark knuckle cream, a dark knuckle cream that is non-peeling, that can take off your dark knuckles. Another bonus of joining this class is that if you have any skin issue, okay, you will have the opportunity to take that off. Any skin issue you're facing on your own, like any skin issue, because before you own a skincare brand, your skin is going to come out, it's supposed to come out clean. So the bonus you'll be getting from this class is that whatever skin issue you're having, I'm going to help you tackle that issue. Okay, we're going to solve that issue together. So that is the bonus you'll be getting for this class. Whatever skin issue you're having, you will have the privilege to get that issue gone forever. Okay, we're going to tackle that issue and make sure your skin come out clean. So that's one of the bonus you'll be getting for this class. If you're facing stretch mark, you're facing melasma, you're facing dark inner thighs, you're facing dark knuckles, dark knee, whatever skin issue you're facing, when you join this class, you have the opportunity to take that off. Okay, that's the bonus for this class. And this class will be going for just 20,000 naira. just 20,000 naira. And this class is going to hold for 3 to 5 days. Okay, so I'm going to be updating you. So I already created a group for this class. So once you pay, I'll add it to the class. Once you pay, I'll add it to the class. So payment is open from the 20th of this month to the 30th of November. 20th of November 2021 to 30th of November. Then after 30th, no more payments. Okay, our training is going to start 1st December to the 5th of December. Okay, it's going to be 3 days class, then 2 days will be open for questions and answers. So general 5 days. So the training is going to be for 3 days, then the questions will be open for 2 days. Then also I will help you during the question section. I'll help you solve whatever skin issue you're having. Okay, that's after our 3 days class of this complete kit. Okay, and during our 3 days questions, 2 days questions, I'll be answering all questions, and also I'll be helping you sort out whatever skin issue you're having. So while on the group, as I'm answering A, you're also learning from that. As I'm answering B, you're also learning from that. Okay, so if you miss this class, trust me, you've missed a whole lot, because I don't know when next I'll be holding a group class like this. Okay, once my ebook is out, it's to be strictly buying of the ebook. Okay, I don't know when next I'll be holding a class, so don't miss this class for anything. It's just 20,000 naira to know how to make a complete kit that you can start up your business with. If you already have a skincare line, you want to upgrade your product, you want to make a product that when your customers buy, they will pray for you, you need to join this class to upgrade your game. Okay, you need to join to upgrade your recipes. Okay, if you have a skincare brand already and your lotions are not as effective as you want, don't miss this class for anything. You need to join this class. Okay, it's just 20,000 naira, and I'm going to be holding a full complete kit training, full complete kit that you can start with. So when the ebook is out, you can as well purchase that. If you want to know generally everything about skincare, will be on my ebook, and that ebook will be ready from January. Okay, so and it's not cheap, so I would advise to join this class to purchase, to get this knowledge of how to make 4 to 5 shade whitening lotion with no stain, flawless results. So don't miss this class for anything. Okay, so training, I'll put my link to my WhatsApp on the description box, so you can just click the link and chat me on WhatsApp too. If there's any question you want to ask me about this training, any inquiries you want to get about this training, you can ask me. Okay, and once you pay, I will put you in the group for the training. So payment starts 20th of this month, 20th, and we end on the 30th of November. Our class will start on the 1st, and once we start training, no more, we will not receive any more payments. I just want to fulfill the promise I have been making to a lot of my queens here, that I must run a training this year. So I just want to fulfill that before the end of this year. That's why I'm holding this training on 5 solid, or more, for just a complete solid kit you can start a skincare product with, your skincare line with. If you already have a skincare line, you can use this to upgrade your game in skincare. Okay, so that will end of this. This is just an announcement. If you have any question, please, I'll put my link on my description box, WhatsApp. You can just chat me on WhatsApp. Okay, if there's any inquiries you want to make for this training, you can chat me up. Okay, and once you make a payment, I'll add it to the group. All right, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now. And I'm gonna put a short screen of our famous 3 days herbal whitening.